Hey all, Chip here. I don't have my mic. Welcome to No Garage Garage. Alright, today we're at Robert's house in the garage because on top of the bitchin' Camaro is a set of lights. Let's see what we got. Broken razor blade. Come on. Sitting there trying to do this while I'm holding the camera. Look, it's a box within a box. All right. Really? Goodness. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. This thing is taped like crazy. It is hot. Let's see, it is 95 degrees at 7:30 at night. It is hot. So here we have our lights. Let's see how this works. Let's set down the razor blade before I hurt myself. Because see, I broke that one. I broke it pretty good. That one still works. My problem is the steel beams. So I think what I'm going to do is put them here, like there and there. I don't know, because the cords that go in between them are kind of short. These are the, I think, right? I don't know. I'm going to open these up, spread them out. Alright, so here's what I have are 6 individual tubes that can be, I've only got that much space we can have in between them. These are the link cables, so I can link them together. So what I'm thinking about doing, link cable, this is a power cable. Or I can use this as a power cable somehow. Maybe. Because that's longer. Even if I go from this and wait. Yeah, it's longer. See, there's individual power cables I don't know if I want to see something. This. Okay, forgot he had that light. But if I turn off the switch, it doesn't turn none of that off. Okay. So the switch is only connected to the ceiling lights. Well, dang. So here's what I'm kind of thinking. 3 lights across this here, and then 3 lights over here in between these 2 beams. It'll be symmetrical, plus it'll still have this one. And I think it'll light up this garage. So what I need to take is the power cord to this and somehow run it over here. This to the switch. Wait a minute. How's that wired in there? Where does that go? This can all get wired in with the switch. Alright. I'm gonna try and figure something out. I'm gonna get these mounted first, and then I'll be back. I gotta turn the big fan on. It's hot. I am sweating. See you in a minute. Alright, as you can hear, Gargantua in here. Oh my god, look at this thing. Oh, he got this for free. Free. That's everybody. I could use that outside and cool off. Alright, so far I've got these 2. They're not wired in yet, and they can be spread out a little bit to tighten that wire there. So I gotta figure out how I want to wire these. Now I obviously can't use 3. Well, I mean, I probably could have if I'd have really tightened it up. Ooh, no, and I can't, because we got that block of wood right there. It's down too low, unless I lowered this one. Because this comes with these little adapters to plug them together tight. Anyway, I'm going to figure out what I'm doing, and then I'll be right back. Yeah, there's how you start a video. Alright, so curiosity got the best of me. So I want to test something. Let's unplug our Gargantua in here. Oh, come on, really? Anyway. Sorry, you can't see what I'm doing right now. Alright. So here's, I know there's a little bit of light out here. Here's how bright it is in the garage right now. But the light gets pretty dark. Let's just see what these 2 lights would do. Oh god. That's just 2 lights. So there's your after. Dark. Wow. That is a big difference. Bam. And look how bright that is. Holy cow. I'm gonna have 2 more over there. And then I'm thinking 1 up here. I'm probably gonna have to bungee somehow like they got it here. And then 1 up here somehow. Maybe get some of this and just tie it up. Yeah. Okay. Man, that is a difference. Huge difference. I mean, noticeably different. But it's already ungodly hot in here. So, time for gargantuan. Put up the 2 lights over here. Figure out how I'm going to light those up just to see. Be right back. Alright. Those 2 in, which are kind of, the tarp has to be there to catch water when it rains. I mean, this garage is lit. Maybe, I don't know, how bright is that? That's pretty bright. If I put those other 2 right here, you know, maybe 1 in front of this door, 1 in front of that door. No, they got to be a little closer because of the short amount of distance I have to get them going. It is hot. It is extremely hot in here, but it's really nice light. I mean, look at this. It'd be nice to replace this one. Yeah. So I gotta figure out how all this is gonna get wired up. I bought the lights. He can buy the hardware. I bought the lights and I can hang them. I know 1 is going to get wired up in here. At least 1. And I could replace this one and put another, put them in the middle, maybe. Maybe. Maybe 1 up there, and then I don't know. Gotta figure it out. But anyway, it's already boiling hot. What are we at? Wow! Look at this. Come on, focus. Focus. So 92 at 10 after 8 in the evening. It's hot. It's humid. I am sweating, which is why I'm not working on the truck yet. It's supposed to rain tonight and tomorrow and the next day, so hopefully that'll correct that. Anyway, yeah, I gotta figure out wiring now or something. Wow, hot. Okay, I'll be back in a minute. Well, we got more lights. Significantly, it is so much brighter in here now. Holy cow. I don't know if you've seen any of my other videos where I worked in here, but there was not this much light, especially on this side. And then when I used this side of the garage, there's never been light over here. So I still got 1 more to put up. I'm not sure how I want to do it or where I want to do it. But honestly, I think that's going to be about it. He has to come up with the wiring and getting it all tidied up good. I'm no electrician. I did one. I mean, I'll help him, but it's not going to be on camera. He's not a camera guy. I try. He doesn't like it. But it's hot. It is still really hot. It's still 92 degrees. And what time is it? Almost 9 o'clock at night. It's just too hot. So hopefully the rain tonight will help cool it off, and the continued rain tomorrow will help with humidity. I know if it stops with this heat, it's just going to get humid as hell. But hopefully the continued rain will help keep the heat or the humidity down. That's what's killing me, is the humidity. Which is surprising because we are so far away from water. You know, the ocean's 200 miles away. But it still gets really humid here. So with that, talking about rain. It almost sounds like it's starting. Maybe, I don't know. Big wind anyway. We're supposed to have some good storms. Anyhow, I gotta unload the tools out of back of the daily, put them in here, because the plan is to bring white trash over and do the front end on it, but that'll be a different video. Like I say, I'm closing this one out. I'm not sure what he wants to do with that last light, and again, I'll help him with the wiring, but he's got to come up with some wire. I came up with the lights. I broke that light. Now that light is replaced along with those and those. That one was already here. But we're not going to get rid of that one because it does work really well. Anyway, my name's Chip. This is No Garage Garage. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I guess it's not always about cars. See you in the next one.